Hi guys! Ngayon, nagbabalik na naman kayo sa akin channel and what's up to everyone? Hilaro ako ng survival. At ito ay isang hardcore. Magsasurvive tayo sa isang hardcore. Get like and share and subscribe to my channel. And boom. There's the last one. That's a lot. I'm not gonna get it. Oh, this is a little cute sheep. Hi, sheep. Cute ng bata, no? La, 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 la. I'm so crazy. This time. I'm gonna make a sword. And this pickaxe and wait, this axe and sword and boom, and I'm gonna mining in this para makagawa tayo ng pickaxe na stone. Before kagabi, dapat tayo ay makakita na ng kaan. Sorry, pero papatayin ko na yung sheep kasi para yun sa kaan. Papatayin na kita, sorry. Sorry. There's a last more. I'm gonna get it. Sorry. There's more. And let's go to the natin na matutuluyan. O gawa na lang ako kaya ng simple na bahay. Doon tayo. Before magabi daw, nakita na ako ng coal dito. Dapat ako nandun sa dun. Charcoal. Natatakot ako kasi ito ay isang hardcore. Natatakot ako. But, this way. Dito tayo. Baka may torch dito. Ay to, my cool. Makakuha na din tayo. Sa wakas, makakuha na din ako. Sa wakas. Chalalala. Duki. Maybe stand. Ganito. Yan ko to. At dito. Kailangan ko na. Ako lang isa yung naglalaro na talaga akong kasali aray. Kasi ayaw nilang sumali. Maybe maghanap na tayo ng Villagers house. Villagers house, kung makakanap tayo, dito na lang tayong titira. Maybe gonna up here. So I'm gonna make something. Wait a minute. I'm gonna make one bed and one of this, and this always starches. I need more desks, and this one too, and this. Ta-da! Done. Somebody to hear, somebody to know. Easy to fix that. Guys, yun ang intindihin yung boses ko kasi hindi ako marunong kumanta. Ang cute ng horses. I thought this Villager's house. Oh, it's almost. Kaya natin. Ta-ta-ta-ti-la-la-tita. Join me now. Join me. Somebody. Yan. Kakaawa naman yung pigi kung papatayin natin. Huwag na lang. Kakaawa eh. Dapat na pinapatay lang natin na isang chicken. Sorry, chica. Sorry, I need to do this before I'm hungry. I'm almost. Is that a pumpkin? Is it? I need to get this so I can make some pumpkin. Did you have an egg? Excuse me, chicken, before I kill you. Oh, there's a cute horse. It's so amazing. I want to kill you. It's a joke. It's a joke. Just a joke. No, I'm not gonna kill you. So hot. I got level 1. So wait. Ooh. What am I gonna do this? I'm gonna make finding something, or I need to find a villager's house before it's night. Help me, guys. Help me. Hey, help me. When I play Among Us, I'm Baba. Kasi di ako marunong maglaro ng Among Us eh. Kaya hindi na ako maglalaro. Pero may apps naman ako na Among Us. Look, the sun is coming down. And the moon is coming out. This is a scary day. I'm gonna sleep. na lang dito. Response night. Bakit ang tagal? Sige. Tapos na din. Makatulog. Yan. Para walang zombie. Tsaka wala rin skeleton. Ay, kala ko zombie. Nagulat ako. May aso, ang cute. Gusto ko siyang alagaan pero wala akong buto. Bato. There's so many cow. So, I can't. So, I'm gonna cut this tree. Ta-da-da. I want to get tree because I'm gonna make a house or a door or something. So, I wish I can find a villager's house. Why there's no zombie here? This is a hardcore. Look. This is a hardcore. Wait, guys. This is a hard. See? Yeah, it's a survival. Told ya. It's a hardcore, but there's no zombie. And there's no skeleton spider or something. Or creeper. What the hell? Let me put this here. La la tita tita. No, I'm hungry. No. I need to cook it all. I'm gonna go that mountain. There's more pumpkin. I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna cook it right. No, I don't have more coal. I need to find some coal before. Oh, I see some iron. What that sounds? Is that a zombie? To, tignan nyo. Diba? Pakakita. Never mind that. No, it's a zombie. No, not again. There's no. Why? There's a ship's black. I'm gonna get it. And I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna go that way. So I'm gonna make a house for. I see some villager's house. Wow! I told you guys. I told ya. Nah. This is a villager's house. What's that sound? Oh, there's a cute cat. No, need to find some cute. We need to find some chests. There's a chest. There's something. I'm gonna get it. Sorry. In this bread. Sorry. There's a villager that way. I'm gonna trade you. I want to trade you. I'll trade you. Hey, trade me. You can't. So there's a. Wait. I need more. I'm gonna get this carrots. Sorry. Oh, not it. Oh. Thanks for the it. So crazy. Is it, apple, apple. So sorry. Oh, what is this? Hey, get out! You wanna trade something? I need this fish because I need to feed that cat. More bread, and more tree apple. 4 apple. I need to lamb. So I'm gonna leave this. So did I tell you to sana na? There's a call something. See some coal. Today. I'm gonna get you. La la tita is fire. Wait guys. Wait lang po guys ha. Tignan ko muna. Wag na. Guys, dito po nagtatapos ang ating video. Wow. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below what you want to I play. So I'm gonna notice you. And don't forget to follow me in TikTok. Anika458 TikTok and bye bye. See you in my next play. There's a cute cat. Push. Bye bye.